Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Tour Builder, which is associated with the Google Apps and Google Earth. So I've already created a tour, and I'm going to take you through this tour and then show you how to make one similar. So we'll go to My Tours, and now My Alaskan Life. So here is what the tour looks like. It starts out at the Fairbanks Animal Shelter, and it goes through where my dog likes to go have fun, and it's written in the dog's voice. So we can edit it through here. We'll press on one of these and then go edit, and now it lets me edit. But when I'm done, I can press done editing up here, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I open it in Google Earth. So I've already done that, opened it in Google Earth, and it's zoomed in on my tour. So it starts out with an introduction. My Alaskan Life. When I met my owners, I was a 2-year-old at the Fairbanks Animal Shelter. I was rescued and now I happily live in Fairbanks. I love snow, running, playing, eating, and sniffing. I'll show you all the cool places I like to have fun. And so now we'll go through his tour of where he has fun. So first it shows him at the Fairbanks Animal Shelter when he was adopted here. So we can have a 3D view of what the shelter looks like if we drop and drag, go to 3D, and so it'll show us the location. So there's the animal shelter. Now let's go to the next location, Fairbanks Dog Park. So it will show us the dog park location. Actually, I don't think that's the right location. But either way, it will take you to that location and show you the dog park. And now we zoom out more. Dog park's actually over here, so I don't know what that is. But we'll go to the next location, and it takes us there. And now once again, we can go in and look at it 3D. And it shows a picture of him there. I go running, ski touring on these trails. There's always so many cool dogs and people I get to meet there. So now last place, the UAF ski hut. And as you can see, each of the icons on my route were different, and I had a picture associated with each, a title for that picture, and a description for each one. So we'll zoom out and we'll see the whole tour. And we'll see each of the icons are different. So I have a tree, some hikers, a flag, and a point. So now I'll show you how to make this. So we'll go back to home and My Tours. And so from here we can see My Tours, and we can create a new tour. So let's make this tour name Example Tour. Create tour. And so here is where you can create your tour. The first thing you need to do is create an introduction. So you can add a photo here and then say what this tour will be about. So now let's add a location, and let's start the tour at Denali. So we'll start our tour at Mount McKinley. And now from Mount McKinley, we'll add that to the tour. We can add a photo, and you can either upload it or search from YouTube. So let's see, Mount. So in this case, we'll add a 50-minute, the full Denali climbing experience, Mount McKinley. And then we'll add also an image. Press select. Okay, and now we'll add another location. So let's say Mount Redoubt. Add to tour. You can add a description about the tour, a date to the tour. For instance, if something happened that day, like the Redoubt eruption. And then, of course, add your image or YouTube. And so now we've added the video and the tour. Now when you're done, oh, and also it's important to note that you can go down here and change the icon. So if we want a blue one, and up here. Let's say we want that, and then we'll do done editing. And now we can share the tour by pushing the share button, and we can share the link with collaborators or add email addresses. And so if we add an email address, press share and save, it will let the person view. You can't have them edit, but you can have them view. So done. And now we can either play this in full screen to view it or open it in Google Earth. So let's play it in full screen. And this is what it will look like if the people open it up in my tour. So you can starts out with Denali, and then go to the next one, next picture, go back to our introduction. This is an example, and it will show you the whole path. Press next. If you press on this, it will play the video. You can press play and watch the video
After
there.
After 4 months of logistical preparation.
So let's close that and go to the next one and readout. Now we can play the video associated with readout. So that is how we create a tour in Tour Builder, which can be used for many various applications such as teaching sciences, teaching about ecosystems as an example, teaching geography, showing locations and descriptions of what happened at that location. So there's so many uses you could do with this as a teacher and as a student making presentations. So you just got to mess around with it and try to integrate this into the classroom so you can create a more interactive presentation and create more geospatial awareness for students and for teachers.